Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 54. We're continuing our look around San Francisco. Today we walk along the Embarcadero towards Pier 15, past the outside of the Exploratorium, and then cross the pedestrian bridge to Pier 17 to explore the outside art exhibits that line both piers. As we leave Pier 9 behind and head north along the waterfront, we soon approach Piers 15 and 17, home of the Exploratorium. This world-renowned museum of science, art, and human perception has occupied these piers since 2013, when it moved from its original location at the Palace of Fine Arts in the Marina District. The decision to place it here was part of a larger project to revitalize Embarcadero's historic finger piers, adapting them for cultural use while preserving their industrial heritage. Walking past Pier 15, we stay outside rather than entering. The pier itself has been carefully restored, with its timber and steel structures reinforced for modern use. Along the exterior, the Exploratorium has placed a number of public art and science exhibits. These outdoor displays are freely accessible and continue the museum's mission of encouraging curiosity in all who pass by. From interactive wind sculptures to devices that play with sound and water, the installations connect visitors directly to the natural environment of the bay. We then cross the pedestrian bridge that links Pier 15 with Pier 17. This walkway itself provides striking views. Looking back, you see the skyline of the financial district with the Trans-American Pyramid rising above it. Looking forward, the open water of the bay stretching towards Treasure Island and the Bay Bridge. It is one of the few points along the waterfront where the public can literally step between piers over the water. On Pier 17, the exhibits continue. Here too, the Exploratorium has made use of the open spaces outside its main halls to showcase art pieces that combine science, motion, and light. Some are temporary, others permanent, but all play with the same themes of perception and the relationship between people and the environment. The effect is that even without purchasing a ticket, visitors walking along the Embarcadero are invited into the museum's spirit of exploration. These piers, once strictly utilitarian, have thus become a space of creativity and education. Where once cargo ships docked and goods were hauled into dark warehouses, now families, students, and casual passerbys engage with art and science while surrounded by the beauty of the bay. That concludes today's walk. Past the outside of the Exploratorium at Pier 15, across the bridge to Pier 17, and among the outdoor exhibits that turn this stretch of the Embarcadero into a living gallery of discovery.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.